Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show how to find all your products on Facebook Web on PC after the new update. If you've been trying to locate your product listings and couldn't figure out where Facebook moved them, don't worry, the steps are quick and easy once you know where to look. First, open Facebook Web on your computer and sign into your account. Once you're on the main page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu with several account options. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. After that, select Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of many of your actions and content-related activities. So it's the right place to search if you want to find your product listings. Inside the activity log, look for the section called Your Facebook Activity. Click on it to expand the available options. Facebook organizes everything here by category, which makes it easier to find specific items connected to your account. Now scroll or look through the list until you find Shops. Click on Shops and then enter Products. This will take you directly to the area where your products are stored and managed. If you have uploaded items before, you should be able to see them here. Once you reach the Products section, you can review all your listed products, check their details, and manage them as needed. Depending on your account and activity, Facebook may show products from different shops or listings you've created over time. So if you're using Facebook Web on PC and want to find all your products after the latest update, just remember this path: Profile Photo, Settings and Privacy, Activity Log, your Facebook activity, Shops, and then Products. That's it now, you know exactly where to go. If this helped you, make sure to keep following for more simple Facebook tutorials and updates.